I just wanted to do this quick video because I always get asked, where do you get your contact lenses from? Are those your real eyes? Obviously not these ones. These are more of a cosplay type lens. But I just ordered some lenses from TTDEye. That's where I get my contacts from. And I just wanted to do like a quick unboxing for y'all to see. So y'all can see like my first impressions of this set. I've never bought this collection before, so I have this package. It came in the mail not too long ago, but I didn't open it yet, so everything's gonna be my first impression. I'm just gonna do like a quick like try on for y'all, voiceover and everything like that, and then zoom y'all in so you can see how they look, and I'll give you like an honest opinion on everything. So one of the things that I really do appreciate about TTDEye is the fact that like their branding has got really cute. Like over the years, I've been using them for years. I've been a sponsor. I've been a customer of TTDEye for years, and like their packaging just got so cute. I remember when it just used to be like whatever, you know. So I'm just gonna not take too long. I'll open it up so you can see. Oh my god. What the hell? This is so cute. I've never gotten any of these things before. I always get like the contact case that come with all of them, but I've never gotten like a gift like this. I've gotten like glitters before. That was my last set. I've gotten glitters, and then all of these are the same contact case. It comes with the pinchers and the suction cup to put it in your eye. I find those especially helpful when I have nails. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I didn't realize that I had that I bought 7 pairs of contacts, but I did. So I got 7 cases, and then I got another mirror, which is nice because I broke my last one. I always break my mirrors. Another mirror, another hair that I got. I love that at all. So cute. It just says TTDEye. You can use it when you're in contact. So cute. So that's cute. What else is in here? Especially for you. Oh, I think it's like a little gift card. So you can write like thank you note or something like that. Yeah, it's just this, I don't know. I don't use those. And then it's like a little sticker tattoos. I don't use these either. Okay, so the collection that I got, I believe is called the Ocean Collection. Wonderful TTDEye, wonderful. Last time they put the freaking stickers so I can see on the outside of the box what it is. So I'm gonna go take off my contacts, and then I was like, is it on here? No, it's not. I'm gonna take off my contacts, and then I'm gonna zoom y'all in so y'all can see what they look like. So this is what my natural eyes look like without contacts. Like, as you can see, I have very dark brown eyes. They're like almost black, very neutral tone. They don't have like any warmth to them whatsoever, and so that's why I like these contacts so much, because they have so much coverage to them. They don't like show the darkness of my eyes for them, even if they're like a very light color. 아직은 살짝 수줍어서 손에 땀이 자꾸 나고 가슴이 두근거려요. 너를 매일매일 자꾸 봐도 새로워 참 좋아. 뭐라 설명할 수 없는 기분. 너를 매일매일 자꾸 보고 싶어. 뭔가 홀린 듯해. All the stars are shining for you. back, I'm currently wearing the ocean blues right now. I would have to say my favorite out of this collection were the ocean purple, ocean blue, and ocean gray. Honestly, they're just like the way that they looked in my eyes. Like they look like all of them look natural. This whole collection just looks really natural, but the way that those three looked in my eyes, like it was natural, but they also stood out. Like you could tell that it was like a, you know, statement color. Pros to this collection: the lens is very thin, which I've noticed among the more like natural looking contacts that are like costume contacts of TTDEye. They always have really thin, breathable lenses, and that's what I appreciate. Pros: all the contacts of TTDEye are 12-month contacts, which means like you can keep wearing them as long as you regularly keep up with them for up to a year. They all look really natural. I mean, like, I can't say anything. I love TTDEye. Cons to this collection: this might be a pro and a con at the same time, just because like it just depends on where your level is with how comfortable you are wearing contact lenses. The lenses are fairly large, and what I mean by that, it's like the size of a circle lens. If you've worn circle lenses before, you know they're fairly a little bit larger to make your eyes look a little bit larger. But these lenses don't have the color in the part where you would have that black ring. So like as you saw before, they look very natural, fairly natural, like a natural iris would be built up as, but they don't, they aren't as small as like your natural iris. So if you are more skilled in putting on contacts, I would definitely recommend this collection. But other than that, like, there's not really any cons to this collection. I realized, besides that they weren't labeled, but I realized that, I don't know how, but I got 2 free contact lenses. The purple and the pink are both lenses that I didn't order. They're not in the collection, they're not online, but they're there somehow. No, I don't know. Thank you, TTDEye. So yeah, that's like my first impressions unboxing video on the Ocean Eyes collection from TTDEye. If you want to use my code, I have it linked below, and then I'll link all the contacts in this video below. I'll link the actual collection below so y'all can buy it. There's always sales, so I think you can use my code in addition to the sales. But like I just get a small commission, like it's not enough. Like it doesn't pay my bills. You know what I mean? But yeah, thank you for watching. I hope this wasn't too quick, too long. We'll see what I did. Thank you for watching my video, and I'll see y'all later. Bye. Oh, I forgot. My thumb, I bit off on my nails because I can't help it. So if you're noticing like throughout the video why your thumb was like that, that's why. It's because this is my only nail left. I'm gonna do my nails. If you want a nail video of me doing my nails, like how I do my own acrylic nails at home, let me know.